Once you set apart bread and wine to be your own precious body and blood, renew our faith that we may come to your table and receive in faith the gifts of forgiveness and life which are offered in his holy supper.
Hear our prayer, O Lord.
Once you were betrayed by one whom you loved into suffering and death for us and our sins, grant us courage to believe and the wisdom to recognize the power of temptation and evil, that through your Spirit we might resist.
Hear our prayer, O Lord.
Once you're prayed that your disciples might be one, send now the spirit of unity and peace to your church. Where it is in an error, bring truth. Where it is divided, bring reconciliation. And where it is persecuted, bring strength and confidence.
Hear our prayer, O Lord.
Once you suffered when Pilate condemned you, send now your peace to our world. Equip leaders to serve with justice and integrity. Preserve the freedom which we enjoy and protect the weak from opposition.
Hear our prayer, O Lord.
Please be seated. As we begin our worship, we begin by giving the Lord thanks for his suffering and death, providing our offering.
Lord.